Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, ginawa ko tong look na to. Itong look na to ay inspired by Emers FX sa Instagram. Hindi ko alam kung pinopronounce ko ng tama, pero ito yung picture niya. Ayan. And also guys, follow all my social media accounts, nandito din. Ayan. So if you want to know how I did this makeup look, please just keep on watching. So guys, for my moisturizer, gagamitin ko tong I White Korea Aqua Moisturizer. For my primer, gagamitin ko tong Quick FX No Shine Mattifier. For my foundation, gagamitin ko tong Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 230 Natural Buff. So guys, for my concealer, gagamitin ko tong Super Stay Concealer in the shade Medium 25. So guys, for my contour, gagamitin ko tong Careline Contour Stick. So guys, for my powder, gagamitin ko tong Bench Daily Spell Magic Powder in the shade Natural. So guys, for my contour, gagamitin ko tong Detail Makeover Contour and Blush Palette. Kukunin ko lang tong dalawang to. Paghahalo ko sila. So guys, for my eye primer, gagamitin ko tong Rimmel London. So guys, ang gagamitin kong palette is itong EB Pro Play Palette. Tapos, kukunin ko lang tong shade na ito. So guys, kukunin ko lang tong shade na ito. So guys, ikakat ko lang yung crease ko. Gagamitin ko ulit itong Rimmel London. Pagkatapos yun guys, kukunin ko lang tong shade na ito. So guys, Gagawin ko lang yung kabilang mata ko off cam para mas mabilis. So guys, for the lower lash line, gagamitin ko lang tong shade nito. Pagkatapos yan guys, kuha lang kayo ng brown pencil, tapos magsisimulan tayo mag-drawing. Pagkatapos nyan guys, kuha lang kayo ng black na face paint. Then, lagyan na lang natin tong black na yan. So guys, for my eyeliner, gagamitin ko tong Careline Craft Ink Liner. So guys, for my mascara, gagamitin ko tong Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. So guys, for my lips, gagamitin ko tong Careline Soft Suede Lipstick in the shade Mood. Tapos, gagamitin ko tong 80 Organics in the shade Terracotta. So guys, i-finalize ko lang itong look na to, then I'll be right back. video for today. So if you like today's video, please don't forget to like, comment your video suggestion in the comment box below, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit the notification bell beside it so you will be notified whenever I uploaded a new video. So yun lang guys, bye bye!